Unlock the power to earn by recommending products you love. Let's dive into signing up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. First, you'll need to head over to the Amazon Associates website. A quick search for Amazon Associates will get you there. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the prominent Join Now for Free button. This is where your affiliate journey begins. Now, you'll be prompted to either sign into your existing Amazon account or create a new one. For this tutorial, assuming you have an account, simply enter your login details and proceed. The next crucial step is to enter your pay information. This includes your full name, address, and phone number. Make sure this information is accurate, as it's how Amazon will verify your identity and process your payments. Here, you'll list your website, blog, or mobile app where you plan to promote Amazon products. If you have multiple sites, you can add them here. Amazon needs to know where you'll be sharing your affiliate links. Next, tell Amazon about your content. Select the categories that best describe your website's focus. Then, describe what your website is about and what kind of products you intend to list. Be specific here to help Amazon understand your niche. Now, explain how you drive traffic to your site. Choose the methods you use, like SEO, email marketing, or social media. This helps Amazon gauge your potential reach. In this section, you'll tell Amazon how you utilize their platform. Select options like how you use Amazon to drive traffic, how you build links, and how often you monetize, choosing the most fitting options. Finally, enter your preferred associate store ID. This is how your links will be identified. Review the terms and conditions of the Amazon Associates program, and if you agree, check the box to accept them. Click Finish to complete the registration. Congratulations! You are now a registered Amazon Associate. You'll receive a confirmation, and you can immediately start exploring the tools to create your unique affiliate links for any Amazon product. And that's it. You're ready to start earning commissions by sharing your favorite Amazon products. Happy affiliating!